Hi, today I want to show you how to decrease your spam score in GetResponse. GetResponse is a email autoresponder. It sends out your emails automatically, whether it's a newsletter, an autoresponder. You can create an email, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create an email. I'm already up to day 139. I'm going to create a new one, so I'm going to click on Create New. This is the campaign I'm using. Click on this, Create New. And the autoresponder name is, let's see if I can remember. Let's do that. In this list here, make this day 141. They will get this exactly at around lunchtime is when most people open up their emails. Time travel, yes, we want that, meaning it'll be the time in there where they live. If it's 12 o'clock in New York, if we don't have this turned on, let's say if it's 12 noon in New York, in London it's like 5 a.m. We want this to be 12 noon London time. And then just scroll down, create new email. Click on that. This will give you an error breakthrough. See that. Subject, same thing. This will give you an error breakthrough. This will come from this email address. Next step. You get all these templates here that you can use, but I like to just start from scratch. I always start from scratch. I like to select blank template. I like to click on left justified. Then I double click on text block, or you can just click and drag like that. Either way is fine. Still is some of this text, some of that bold, and I like to put an image and text block. Just double click that. Looks like that. Then we choose our image. Let me click on my images. I like to use this one. Just highlight, select that. Copy this. Paste it here. I have a message that I copied here. That I have here. I'm just going to copy it. Control C. Go back here. Control V. Now the way to test your spam score, you just go up here where it says test message and click on spam score. Right now I have a spam score of 2.44. We want that to be as close to 0 as possible. Even though it says your email will probably not be recognized as spam, we still want that to be as close to 0 as possible. What I do is this link down here, lower right hand corner where it says plain text. Click on that. We're going to click on HTML to plain. Then we're going to click on wrap long lines and make it look nice. Go back on test message. Click on spam score. Before we had a spam score of over 2. Now it's a little over 1.335, which is, I'm happy with that. And that's how you decrease your spam score. Hope you enjoyed this email, and I'll talk to you later.